Hello students, welcome to SOURAV sir's classes. The question is, the sum of series minus 100 plus minus 95 plus minus 90 and so on up to plus 110 plus 115 plus 120 is. So this series can be written as minus 100 minus 95 minus 90 and it goes on, and so plus 100 plus 105 plus 110 plus 115 plus 120. So now all the terms till plus 100 get cancelled out. Since 100 cancels minus 100, there would be a plus 95 that will cancel minus 95. There would be a plus 90 that would cancel out minus 90. So what we are left eventually is 105 plus 110 plus 115 plus 120. Now the summation of this is 450. So the correct option is option D. The next question is, AB is a chord of a circle. So let this be a circle and AB is a chord. The length of AB is 24 centimeters. So the length of AB is 24 centimeters and P is the midpoint of AB. So P is the midpoint of AB. Perpendiculars from P on either side of the chord meets the circle at M and N respectively. So these are the perpendiculars, and this is M and this is N. If PM less than Pn and PM equals 8, so PM is less than Pn and PM equals 8, so this is 8 centimeter, then what will be the length of Pn? So AB is a chord and MN is the perpendicular bisector of the chord AB at point P, as PM and PN are both perpendicular to AB. Then MN is diameter of circle. Hence OA, we'll let this be O. So OA is equal to OM is equal to ON, which are the radii of the circle, and let this be equal to R. Now we have been given that AP is equal to 12 and PM is equal to 8. Therefore, OP is equal to R minus 8, where R is the radius of circle. Now, triangle OPA is a right angle triangle. So we get 12 squared plus R minus 8 squared is equal to R squared, or 144 plus R squared plus 64 minus 16R is equal to R squared. From here we get 16R is equal to 208 and R is equal to 13. Therefore OP is equal to 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. Hence PN is equal to 5 plus 13 is equal to 18. So the correct option is option B.